Breaking news, the City Council has just voted to approve the new park plan. The measure passed by a narrow margin after hours of debate.
Why is this reel not loading? Ugh, this internet is always bad in the morning. That reflection wasn't moving before. Mom, look at this floating house. The lights are glowing and it's so beautiful. I wish you could see it.
What house? Stop imagining things.
Mom, the houseboat is moving. I'm not imagining. Please come.
That was not there yesterday.
What's all this shouting?
Dad, look! A house is floating.
That is strange. Is that even safe?
Who lives there? Why is it so quiet over there?
Maybe someone who likes quiet.
Or someone who has nowhere else to go.
Finish your doll. It's getting cold.
I'm eating. Can we go see it tomorrow?
See what?
You know what?
Why do you want to go so badly?
Because if something looks wrong and we ignore it, it stays wrong.
Who told you that? It's water. It's risky.
But you always say, if something feels wrong, we should understand it.
You remember too much.
We'll go tomorrow, just to look.
Promise?
Promise.
Everything's ready for our picnic.
Perfect day for it.
I'm ready. Can we go now?
Almost.
It looks bigger from here.
Careful on the steps, my loves.
It feels so good to be home.
Yay! I love our houseboat.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Welcome home. Wow, look at this model ship.
It's so detailed and beautiful.
Yeah!
This is a special place.
Wow, look at all these cool things.
It's so cozy in here.
A perfect home for us.
Dad, would you live on water?
Only if your mom agrees.
Never.
Imagine waking up here every day. Why does it smell bad?
You're right.
That's pollution.
So this house floats in dirty water?